Let's draw a Peppa Pig drawing. So for this we are going to need, so for Peppa Pig drawing, what we will do, we will take a A4 sheet and we will stick on the sides a tape. So as we have finished putting the tape on all the four sides, what we will do, we will, with the help of a pencil, we will make a rough sketch of Peppa Pig's shape on this A4 sheet. So we have made the head of the pig, and now what we are going to do is make the bottom part. So trace it any way you like it. Next we are going to make the feet, and the next part is quite easy. As we, what we will do initially is we will outline with the dark color of sketch the whole part. As we have outlined the outer part, now with the lighter colors of sketch we will fill it here, and we will make the arms, tails and the feet of the pig. Now the bottom part we will fill with the red color. So as we have filled the color in this, so our Peppa Pig drawing is complete.